Hello students, I am Shahaji Thomre sir, working in Sri Chaudhary Prashala Solapur. I am going to present a poem of 9th standard English 1.1, Walk a Little Slower. Walk a little slower. Marathi meaning of this title of the poem is थोडे से सावकाश चला. Before starting the poem, we will deal about the chit-chat activities, warming up. In pairs and groups, you have to discuss the following questions. Use this question and start a conversation with your friends. Are you a talkative person? If you ask your friend, are you a talkative person? He will respond that yes, I am a talkative person, or no, I am not a talkative person. Do you like to share your thoughts? Yes, I like to share my thoughts, or someone will say, no, I don't like to share my thoughts. What would you like to do after 10th? So different responses will be there. After 10th, I would like to take admission in science stream, or I would like to admission in arts stream, commerce stream, or diploma, according to their own choices. The students will respond what they would like to do after 10th. My thoughts. I would like to talk to my father about my swimming lessons. I would like to talk to my mother about my study progress. I would like to talk to my mother about swimming lessons. I would like to talk to my father about my study progress. I would like to talk to my teacher about my study problems. I would like to talk to my best friend about different hill stations in Maharashtra. I would like to talk to my grandparents about religious things. I would like to talk to my neighbors about unity or about the nation's progress, or I would like to talk to my mother about my nation. Next, I would like to learn to. I would like to learn to. I would like to learn to sing songs from my best friend. I would like to learn to knit a woolen scarf from my grandmother. I would like to learn grammar lessons from my teacher. I would like to learn how to follow the discipline from my neighbor. I would like to learn play chess from my cousin. See, I hesitate to talk to my sister about my studies. Or we can say like this, I hesitate to talk to my uh, father about my studies. I hesitate to talk to my grandfather about the way he or she talks to my friend. I hesitate to talk to my teacher about what I would like to do in future. I hesitate to talk to my friend about how I want to spend my holidays. I hesitate to talk to my cousin about my favorite movie. I hesitate to talk my mother about the things I want to buy. So these are the different responses from various students will be there. Now walk little slower. थोडेसे सावकाश चला. It's a very beautiful, it's a very important poem. Before starting the poem, I want to tell you objective why I am going to learn this poem. Many times the children do not understand what his father is doing. बरेच वेळा असं होतं की मुलांना आपले वडील नेमके काय करतात हे कळत नसतं किंवा समजत नसतं. And the children wants to follow their parents, their father. आणि कधी कधी मुलांना त्यांच्या वडिलांच्याच पावलावर पाऊल टाकून पुढे जायचं असतं. They want to follow their father. Some say that my father is my ideal person. कधी कधी माझे वडील, माझे बाबा हे माझे आदर्श व्यक्ती आहेत असं म्हणत असतात. But the father's actions do not understand to the sons. कधी कधी मुलांना त्यांच्या कृती समजत नाहीत. आणि म्हणून to understand the father's actions, how the child is asking to his father, we are going to learn through this poem. आपण या पोएम मध्ये हे शिकणार आहोत. वॉक अ लिटिल स्लोअर म्हणजे थोडेसे सावकाश चला. The poem Walk a Little Slower is composed by unknown poet, and in this poem the child depicts the expectations from his father. या कवितेमध्ये मुलगा आपल्या वडिलांपासून काही अपेक्षा व्यक्त करत आहे. Now I will explain this poem stanza by stanza. Walk a little slower, daddy, said a little child so small. The child was very small, and once he said to his father, walk a little slower. एक छोटासा मुलगा आपल्या वडिलांना म्हणाला की डॅडी थोडेसे सावकाश चला. Walk a little slower, थोडेसे सावकाश चला. Do not take the meaning of that कि the daddy is going ahead and the child or his son is walking behind him or following him. असं नाही. वडील पुढे चालत आहेत, मुलगा पाठीमागून चालत आहे असा अर्थापर्यंत घ्यायचा नाही. Walk a little slower in the sense that daddy, whatever your actions are or what you are doing, तुम्ही जे काय करत आहात, what you are talking, तुम्ही जे बोलत आहात, walk slowly or speak slowly, that I want to understand. मला समजून घ्यायचं आहे. Walk a little slower, daddy, said a little child so small. The child was very small, and once he said to his father, daddy, walk a little slower. I am following in your footsteps. Footsteps means paul khuna. Footsteps. I am following your footsteps. Coming after. I am coming after you. मी तुमच्याच पाठीमागून येत आहे. Walk, actually here meaning we have to take to communicate someone or actions, thoughts, feelings so that he or she can understand. एखाद्याची कृती, एखाद्याचे विचार समजून घेणे. Walk here meaning to communicate someone's actions or thoughts or feelings so that he or she can understand. एखाद्याला आपली कृती किंवा विचार इत्यादी समजत म्हणून देवाणघेवाण करणे किंवा मार्गदर्शन करणे. The child is telling his father, daddy, I want to talk with you. I want to know your actions. So that's why you walk slowly. Means you speak slowly, you do slowly whatever you are doing. तुम्ही जे करत आहात ते सावकाश करा. जे बोलत आहात ते सावकाश बोला. I am following in your footsteps and I don't want to fall. Here fall means do not want to be unsuccessful in achieving something. Do not want to be unsuccessful in achieving something. Daddy, I want to be unsuccessful in my life. मला जीवनामध्ये अपयशी व्हायचं नाही. I want to be successful like you. तुमच्यासारखंच मला यशस्वी व्हायचं आहे. I am coming after you. मी तुमच्या पावलावर पाऊल टाकूनच पुढे येत आहे. मला अपयशी ठरायचं नाही. That's why I want to understand your actions, your thoughts, your feelings. मला तुमचे विचार, तुमची कृती, तुमच्या भावना मला समजून घ्यायच्या आहेत. Because according to child, his father is successful person. त्याचे बाबा यशस्वी व्यक्ती आहेत आणि त्यालाही लाईफ मध्ये यशस्वीच व्हायचं आहे. That's why the child is telling his father, Daddy, walk little slower. थोडे सावकाश चला म्हणजे काय? थोडे हळूने बोला. मला तुमचे विचार, मला तुमची कृती समजावून घ्यायच्या आहेत. And I am following you. My ideal person is you. माझे आदर्श व्यक्ती तुम्हीच आहात. आणि I do not want to be unsuccessful in my life. मला लाईफ मध्ये अपयशी किंवा अयशस्वी व्हायचं नाही. Second stanza. Sometimes your steps are very fast. Means sometimes, Daddy, what you speak, what you do, what you feel, they are very difficult. They are very fast. Sometimes your steps are very fast. Sometimes they are hard to see. Daddy, sometimes your steps are very fast. Sometimes they are hard to see. कधी कधी तुम्ही जे बोलता, जे कृती करता, त्या समजणं खूप कठीण असतं. I cannot understand. मला ते समजू शकत नाही. Daddy, what you speak, what you do, what you feel, they are very fast. Your actions are very fast. What you think, it is also very fast. And that's why I cannot understand your feelings. मला तुमच्या भावना, तुमचे विचार मला कधी कधी समजत नाहीत, कळत नाहीत. So, walk a little slower, Daddy, for you are leading me. Daddy, walk a little slower. I want to understand. I want to communicate your actions, your thoughts, your feelings, so that I will understand well. मला तुमच्या पावलावर पाऊल ठेवून पुढे यायचं आहे. So walk a little slower, Daddy, for you are leading me. कारण तुम्ही माझ्या पुढे आहात. मी तुमच्या पाठीमागे आहे. I am following your footsteps. You are leading me. You are my leader. You are my ideal person. तुम्ही माझे आदर्श व्यक्ती आहात. माझ्या पुढे तुम्ही आहात. आणि I want to understand your actions, your feelings, your thoughts. मला तुमचे विचार, तुमची कृती, तुमच्या भावना मला समजून घ्यायच्या आहेत. Because I want to be a successful person in life. मला जीवनामध्ये यशस्वी व्यक्ती म्हणून व्हायचं. I don't want to fall. मला अपयशी ठरायचं नाही. I want to be successful in my life. मला लाईफ मध्ये सक्सेसफुल व्हायचं आहे. नेक्स्ट stanza. Someday when I am all grown up. एक दिवस मी जेव्हा मोठा व्यक्ती होणार आहे, like you, you are what I want to be. Someday when I am all grown up, you are what I want to be, then I will have a little child who will want to follow me. Daddy, someday when I will all grown up, I will become adult. And you are what I want to be. And what kind of person you want to be from me, I will like that only. एक दिवस मीही मोठा होणार आहे आणि मला जसे हवे आहात तसे तुम्ही असणार आहे. तुम्हाला जसा मी हवाय तसा मी होणार आहे. Then I will have a little child. मला एक लहान मुल असणार आहे. Who will want to follow me. The child, my child will also follow me. माझे मूल सुद्धा माझं अनुकरण करणार आहे. My child will imitate me. तेही माझं अनुकरण करणार आहे. And I would want to lead just right. I want to go in my life in a right manner, properly. योग्य रीतीने मलाही जीवनामध्ये पुढे जायचं आहे. And know that I was true. आणि मी योग्य आहे हे मला जाणून घ्यायचं आहे. So walk a little slower, Daddy, for I must follow you. So Daddy, I want to know your actions, your feelings, your thoughts. For I must follow you because you are my ideal person. तुम्ही माझे आदर्श व्यक्ती आहात. मी तुमच्याच पाठीमागून येत आहे. मी तुम्हाला फॉलो करत आहे. So, I want to summarize this poem once again in short. This is a very important poem for all of you. So, this poem Walk a Little Slower. This is a beautiful poem composed by unknown poet. Unknown poet ने poem compose केलेली आहे. It depicts the expectations of a child from his father. This poem show the expectation of a child from his father. या कवितेमध्ये मुलाने आपल्या वडिलांकडून अपेक्षा व्यक्त केलेल्या आहेत. The speaker of this poem is a child. या कविता जो स्पीकर आहे, निवेदक आहे, child. ते एक मूल आहे. And the poem is addressed to his father. ही पोयम त्याने आपल्या वडिलांना उद्देशून केलेली आहे. The child requests his father to walk slow. It means to do the activities slowly. Walk a little slower means, Daddy, you do the activities slowly that I won't understand. The child, he or she, not only wants to observe his father's activity, but also follow them. इथं त्याला आपल्या वडिलांच्या नुसत्या ऍक्टिव्हिटी ऑब्झर्व करायचं नाही, तर आपल्या वडिलांच्या जशा कृती आहेत तशाच कृती त्या मुलाला करायच्या आहेत. Every child learns from elders, especially from his parents. All of you know that प्रत्येक मूल आपल्या आई बाबाकडून शिकत असतं. So in this poem, the child follows his father's footsteps. या कवितेत सुद्धा ते मूल आपल्या वडिलाच्याच पावलावर पाऊल टाकून त्याला पुढे जायचं आहे. And does not want to fall means he does not want to be failure in his life. त्याला जीवनामध्ये अपयशी व्हायचं नाही. The child wants to imitate his father. त्या मुलाला आपल्या वडिलांचंच अनुकरण करायचं आहे. What his father do, he wants to do like that. त्याचे बाबा जे करतात, जे कृती करतात, जे विचार करतात, तसाच विचार त्या मुलाला करायचे आहेत. Students, many times it happens that the elders do their activities fast. कधी कधी मोठे लोक त्यांची कृती खूप फास्ट करत असतात. And even they are not recognized or understood by the children. आणि कधी कधी त्या मोठ्या लोकांच्या कृती म्हणा, त्यांचे विचार असतील म्हणा, हे मुलांना समजत नाहीत. So the child in the poem appeals to his father that You walk slowly that I won't understand all your actions, all your thoughts. The father is a leader according to the child. मुलाच्या मते त्याचे वडील लीडर आहेत. इज अ गाईड. ते माझे मार्गदर्शक. यू आर माय गाईड. तुम्ही माझे मार्गदर्शक आहात. यू आर माय लीडर अँड द चाइल्ड इज अ फॉलोअर. वडील हे त्याच्या पुढे आहेत, त्याचे मार्गदर्शक आहेत आणि मूल आपल्या वडिलांचा अनुयायी आहे, फॉलोअर आहे. ॲज एव्हरी फादर केअर्स फॉर हिज सन अँड डॉटर. प्रत्येक वडील आपल्या मुलीची काळजी घेत असतात. अँड द चाइल्ड ऑल्सो थिंक्स दॅट ही ऑर शी वॉन्ट्स टू बी केअरिंग पर्सन. त्यालाही त्याच्या वडिलांसारखं एक काळजी करणारा व्यक्ती म्हणून, केअरिंग पर्सन म्हणून बनायचं आहे. When a child would become an adult, he wants to become like his father. ते मूल जेव्हा मोठं होणार आहे तेव्हा त्याला त्याच्या बाबासारखंच बनायचं आहे. हाव हिज फादर इज अ केअरफुल पर्सन. ते वडील किती काळजी घेणार आहेत, त्या मुलाला आपल्या वडिलासारखंच बनायचं आहे. A father is an ideal person for a child. प्रत्येक मुलासाठी आपले बाबा हे आदर्श व्यक्ती असतात. The child imagines that when he would grow, ते मुलं कल्पना करत जेव्हा ते मोठा होणार आहे, he might have his own child. त्यालाही त्याचं स्वतःचं मूल असणार आहे. The child would also follow him. आणि ते मूल त्याच्या पाठीमागे येणार आहे. So the child asks his father to direct him, to give him guidance, to show him proper direction at every walk of life. जीवनाच्या प्रत्येक गोष्टी त्याला योग्य मार्गदर्शन करा. The child wants also to do the right things as his father does. त्याचे बाबा जशी कृती करतात, छान कृती, योग्य कृती, तशी कृती आपल्या त्या मुलाला सुद्धा करायची आहे. And when the child will turn into adulthood, जेव्हा ते मूल अडल्टहुड मध्ये जाणार आहे, प्रौढ होणार आहे, he would convince that he has done right things. त्याला स्वतःला अशी खात्री व्हायला पाहिजे त्याने सगळ्या गोष्टी योग्य केलेल्या आहेत. That's why the child expects from his father to guide him properly, to show him the proper direction whenever he goes on wrong ways. जेव्हा जेव्हा ते चुकीच्या मार्गाने जाईल तेव्हा योग्य मार्ग डॅडीनी दाखवा अशी अपेक्षा, एक्सपेक्टेशन त्या मुलाची आहे. The father is nothing but a mentor for the child in the poem. या कवितेमध्ये वडील म्हणजे त्या मुलासाठी एक आदर्श व्यक्तीच आहेत. So, Walk a Little Slower is a very beautiful poem by unknown poet. The name of the poet is not mentioned in this poem. Students, the appreciation of the poem is a key part. How to write the appreciation is very important. To the point wise, you have to present an appreciation of the poem. You have to write the appreciation in 5 points. Title, this point is for half mark, poet half mark, rhyme scheme 1 mark, figures of speech 1 mark, theme or central idea 2 marks. So for 5 marks appreciation is there. How to write the title? The title of the poem is Walk a Little Slower. Write in full sentence. Poet. The poet of this poem is unknown, or this poem is composed by unknown poet. You can write like this way also. Rhyme scheme. The rhyme scheme of this poem is ABCB. How to write the rhyme scheme I will tell you. Daddy, you have to write there A. Daddy and small, no rhyming words, that's why small B. Footsteps A and AB, CB. Daddy A, small B, footsteps C, fall B. A, B, C, B. So the rhyme scheme of this poem is A, B, C, B. Figures of speech. The figures of speech usually in the poem are inversion, alliteration. Yes, you have to write 2 minimum figure of speech. Actually, 1 is sufficient, but you have to write 2. Theme or central idea. The theme of the poem is that the child wants to follow his father. This poem is based on the expectation of a child from his father. The child wants to do the things like his father, so he requests his father to tackle the activities slowly, which he could understand easily. So theme is this. Child wants to follow his father. या ठिकाणी या पोएम मध्ये त्या मुलाला आपल्या वडिलांसारखंच आदर्श बनायचा आहे. अकॉर्डिंग टू चाइल्ड हिज फादर इज अ सक्सेसफुल पर्सन. त्याच्यामध्ये आपले बाबा ही अशी यशस्वी व्यक्ती आहेत. ही इज माय मेंटॉर, ही इज माय गाईड. सो ही वॉन्ट्स टू बी लाईक हिज फादर. त्याला वडिलांसारखंच बनायचं आहे. दॅट्स वाय ही इज टेलिंग हिज फादर what activities you are doing, what you think, what you speak. You speak slowly, you do slowly, then I will understand your thoughts and I will be successful person like you. So this is the theme or central idea of this poem. Then I will talk about the rhyming words. In first stanza, small, fall. Second stanza, see me. Third stanza, be me. And fourth stanza, to you. These are the rhyming words. Now some figure of speech. Second line, said a little child so small. The figure of speech of this line is inversion. The sentence is not in usual prose order. Then sometimes second stanza first line, sometimes your steps are very fast. Sometimes begins with yes and steps with yes. That's why yes sound is repeated. So the figure of speech of this line is alliteration. So these are the figure of speech used in the poem. I have explained this poem right from chit chat activities, after that stanza by stanza, after that appreciation, after that I explained a figure of speech, rhyming words. I hope that you have understood this poem very clearly, and for that uh, this poem is very meaningful, very useful to all of you. You try to understand this poem thoroughly, and you will come to know that your ideal person is your father, because every father, every parents guide their sons and daughters to be successful in life. And in this poem also, the child wants to be successful with the help of his father, by understanding his father's activities, by understanding his father's thoughts. He wants to be successful in his life. So I explained this poem here. For that, for listening and for understanding this poem, I'm very thankful to all of you. Thank you so much.